Hi everybody, welcome back to my art channel. In this video, we're going to talk about an easy way to find your color palette. You don't have to put a lot of pressure on yourself to find your colors. The only thing that you should do is finding a good reference. A reference like a painting and another illustration from other artists. They can easily help you to put suitable colors together, and you can just change a little bit of values or darkness or lightness. That way can make a good organization of colors in your head, and you can easily start painting your piece of art. In this video, I'm going to put colors on my character by getting inspired of other artists' color palette, which unfortunately I don't know the artist. And if you know him or her, please let me know in the comments. I will talk about choosing colors more in upcoming videos, of course, but the only little tip that you should pay attention at is using limited colors. Limited colors can make your piece of art more professional or more beautiful, and it can be more easy to start painting with limited colors. So if you're a beginner artist, I recommend you to use very limited colors. That way you can manage them easily. For this character, I decided to use gouache colors. They can be easily mixed and easily removed if you don't feel satisfied with the brushes maybe. And after painting the first layer, I started to use colored pencil to make it look better and to actually complete it. In the end, I put more gouache colors, actually light colors, to emphasize on lights or make the wings more beautiful and make the eyes more shining. You can use it whenever you feel like it's necessary. Don't worry about ruining your painting at all. You can easily remove the mistakes. Thank you for watching my video again. There are also similar videos in my channel which I recommend you to watch them, and let me know if you like it or if you don't. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.